What's going on YouTube? I'm on a strike today. I'm doing all types of videos. I'm taking all requests. Um, this is not a special request. This is a surprise for all my beautiful Dirt Devil fans. As you see, we got three of the most loud for one thing, but three of the most beautiful, famous Dirt Devils out of the 1990s. As you see to my far right, we got the basic Dirt Devil Light. In the middle, we have that beautiful Dirt Devil Light Plus. And then to my left, we have the Dirt Devil Power Light. The Dirt Devil Light is a 6 amp. The Dirt Devil Light Plus is an 8 amp. And then it went up to 11 amps. So we get closer. And as you can see over the years, they made them differently over the years. Like, they started off with just the, I think there's even a Dirt Devil Light that only had like 5 amps. I think. Don't quote me on it. I think these basic ones had like just the 6. They might have went down to like a 5.5. But then they did the 8 amp. They did 8 amps, 8.5 amps, and 9 amps with this one. And then it bounced straight up to 11 amps with that one. I will say that one is loud because it has the most amps. But as far as condition, these are pretty much almost like new. As you can see, I take very good care of them. There's no kind of holes in the bags. There's no rips, no tears, no nothing. They all take paper bags. They take Type D bags, and you can put different type of Dirt Devil belts inside of them. They all work pretty much the same way. I think the light has a dynamite belt inside of it, and it works as if it's a regular style belt for this model. So without any further ado, we'll go ahead and oh, here. I don't know the model number. So let's see. The model number for the Light Plus, unfortunately, is kind of scraped off. It looks like 085600. And then the model number for this Power Light looks like 085360. If you can see that. And then that one is a 5200. So without any further ado, we're going to run all three of these beautiful red Dirt Devils. It is a pleasure to have them all. It's a pleasure to own them all. And what can I say? They all work amazing. So let me show you. We're going to start off with this Power Light first and get the loud one out the way. Very loud, but very powerful. Let's go on to the Light Plus. Moving on to the Light. Again, very loud, but very powerful. You just can't go wrong with one of these. They just don't make them like they used to. You have your Dirt Devil Light, Dirt Devil Light Plus, and Dirt Devil Power Light. Please go ahead, watch, like, and subscribe. Here's all the Dirt Devil bags, one after the other. It's classic shit. Sorry, classic stuff. Check them out. See y'all in the next one. Peace.